Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 7. The Galaxy Watch 8 brings a sleeker design inspired by the Ultra model, enhanced AI features, a fresh band attachment system, and some exciting new health tracking tools. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 7 remains a solid performer with great value, a classic design, and dependable features if you already use a Galaxy phone. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two smartwatches and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the design, the Galaxy Watch 8 introduces a fresh, squircle-like look, borrowing heavily from the Galaxy Watch Ultra. It features a sleek Armor Aluminum 2 case and a new dynamic lug system that not only tightens the fit on your wrist, but also boosts heart rate accuracy. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 7 keeps the familiar, timeless circular design that most users associate with Samsung watches. It might not look as modern, but it's comfortable, recognizable, and compatible with all your old bands. But unfortunately, you'll have to leave them behind if you upgrade to the Watch 8. Another key difference is that the Galaxy Watch 8 is the thinnest Galaxy Watch to date at just 8.6 millimeters thick, compared to the 9.7 millimeters of the Watch 7. So if you prefer a more streamlined, futuristic look and don't mind buying new bands, the Watch 8 might be your new favorite. But if classic and functional is more your thing, the Watch 7 still holds its ground. Moving on to the display and durability, the Galaxy Watch 8 seriously ups its game with a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, making it much easier to read in direct sunlight. That's a big leap from the 2000 nit brightness on the Galaxy Watch 7. Both watches come in 40 and 44 millimeter sizes and retain the circular screen with a touch-sensitive bezel, although there's no physical rotating bezel in sight. In terms of durability, there's no major difference. Both offer IP68 water and dust resistance, as well as 5 ATM water protection, so you're covered for workouts and the occasional splash. So while they're nearly equal when it comes to size and ruggedness, the Watch 8 clearly stands out with a brighter and easier to view screen, giving it the edge for users who spend more time outdoors. When it comes to software and features, the Galaxy Watch 8 takes a bold step forward with Wear OS and Samsung's One UI watch interface, plus some intelligent design tweaks. It introduces the Now bar from One UI 7, which keeps useful info like timers and media controls right on the watch face. Notifications have been improved too, now grouped more cleanly by app with better contextual actions. But the real game changer here is the addition of Google Gemini, marking the first smartwatch to run it. This AI assistant can handle multi-step tasks like starting a run and launching a playlist with a single command. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 7 still offers a clean Wear OS experience with solid performance, but misses out on these newer AI-driven features. So if you're into seamless smart integrations and voice-powered convenience, the Watch 8 makes a compelling case. But if your needs are more basic and you value reliability over novelty, the Watch 7 gets the job done without breaking the bank. In terms of health and fitness tracking, both smartwatches use Samsung's trusted bioactive sensor to monitor heart rate, blood pressure, skin temperature, ECG, VO2 levels, and more. But the Galaxy Watch 8 builds on this foundation with two exclusive new metrics, such as the vascular load and antioxidant index. Vascular load analyzes how your heart and circulatory system are holding up during sleep, using data from your workouts and stress levels to give you actionable insights. Meanwhile, the antioxidant index tells you how much oxidative stress your skin has accumulated and suggests ways to reduce it. The Watch 8 also adds a running coach that offers real-time motivation and a bedtime guidance feature powered by Galaxy AI that recommends optimal sleep windows based on your heart rate variability and previous rest patterns. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 7 still delivers accurate core health metrics, but lacks these newer, more advanced features. So if cutting-edge wellness tools are a priority, the Watch 8 is the smarter pick. As for battery life and pricing, both watches support 10-watt wireless charging and take under 2 hours for a full charge. The Galaxy Watch 8 includes slightly larger batteries, including 325 mAh for the 40mm version and 435 for the 44mm model, compared to 300 and 425 mAh respectively in the Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung claims up to 30 hours of battery life with the always-on display enabled, and up to 40 hours with it turned off, so you can expect a small but meaningful improvement. But the price is where things shift significantly. The Watch 8 starts at $350 for the 40mm Bluetooth version, climbing up to $430 for the 44mm LTE model. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 7 launched at $300 for the base version and tops out at the same $430 price for LTE, meaning you'll pay $50 more for the base model in the latest generation. So if budget is a key factor, the Watch 7 still holds excellent value, especially considering how close the core features are. As for my final verdict, the Galaxy Watch 8 is a top-tier smartwatch that checks a lot of boxes. With its thinner design, brighter display, smarter software, and health-focused improvements, it's clearly aimed at those who want the latest and greatest, especially if you're upgrading from a Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 7 still delivers excellent value with all the essential features, a classic design, and a more budget-friendly price tag. If you're already using the Watch 7, there may not be a pressing need to upgrade unless AI features or deeper health insights really appeal to you. But if you're buying your first smartwatch or switching from an older model, the Galaxy Watch 8 is a smarter, sharper, and more capable option overall.